everyone, welcome back to Abra Knowledge channel. In this video, we're going to talk about mouse pointer. This is wonderful options we have within Windows 10, and whenever I do any movement, you are able to follow, right? Exactly as a trainer, as a presenter, when you use it for any of the portals, like whether it's a Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, or whenever you do in Zoom or thing. So this pointer will be very, very helpful to you. Let's see how to invoke this one. Very simple. Go to taskbar and then you type mouse settings and have a go and click on mouse setting. You have additional mouse options. Have a go and click on it. And then you have five tabs you have. And there is something called pointer. In this one, this is a scheme. You have a multiple variety of range. The one which I am using now, the orange one, orange downloaded cursor, which I'm using now. So these are all the options you have, like custom. You can also customize it and all that, and give OK. So all set, and you will be able to follow. And whenever you give any presentation, this particular one will be very, very helpful to you. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be making more tips around Windows 10 and other application as such. Please take good care, and please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have a wonderful day ahead.